First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Raja Isa, and I'm a software developer with Robert McNeil and Associates. I have a special interest in architectural geometry, surface rationalization, and parametric design. And hence the paneling tools, a plugin that we have built for Rhino. It's a free plugin offered by McNeil Labs, and it aims to help users design and implement complex 2D and 3D cellular patterns. It uses rectangular grids as base, but as we will see later, that doesn't mean you're restricted to kind of rectangular modules. You can actually divide your module to be able to look, the shape you'd like to have it look. The application range from building facades, roofs, interiors, 3D textures, and product design. I will have just a quick few examples to show you first, but then we will spend the big chunk of our time on a tutorial session where we will show the basic concepts of paneling tools, the interface, the flow of the paneling process, understanding your geometry and working with it to create the effect you're looking for, how to generate your patterns, 2D versus 3D patterns, how to make your paneling parametric using Rhino history, and also using, if time allows, towards the end, I will show you an example of how it works within the Grasshopper environment. As actually paneling tools is also extends Grasshopper, and there is a set of functions that are accessible from within Grasshopper. We will also go through a couple examples to show you a more complex geometry and how to work with it, to analyze your pattern concepts, to generate your suitable grids for the kind of output you want to create, use appropriate paneling routines, and generate the 3D paneling. So there has been, paneling tools plugin is widely used among professionals as well as students in different stages of design, from quickly generating concepts and ideas to creating the final product or the rationalized surface or patterns, if you will. It's also used in a different context as facades, roofs, bridges. It's used quite a bit to generate interiors, and also for the fixtures, modular design. Textures definitely is a big area if you want to create 3D or 2D textures. These are samples of from academia, actually, printed, 3D printed samples. Other applications like sculpture design, medical, product design, jewelry is another big area. So that's basically a quick overview of some applications. We will get into the tutorial in a second, but I wanted to also show you where can you find paneling tools. So let's